Please refer to the hurricane local statement and hurricane threat and impacts graphics. www.weather.gov/SRH/tropical question mark offers equal MFL pound HTI spotter information statement.
1. Here it is!
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for eastern Collier County in southwestern Florida, northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, southern Broward County in southeastern Florida until 6:45 p.m.
Tornado
At 6:09 p.m.,
warning.
a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles southeast of
I'm recording on my
Service
phone.
Plaza, or 26
I'm
miles
screen
west
recording.
of Pembroke Pines, moving northwest at 20 miles an hour.
20 miles per hour.
Finally, fast forward took
Source,
1 hour
radar
and 10
indicated
minutes.
location.
Yes!
Impact. Flying debris
get
will be
around
dangerous
the
to the
applause?
Wow, that
Mobile
took
homes
so
will be
long.
damaged or destroyed.
Yeah, can we get a round of
Damaged roofs,
applause?
windows, and vehicles will occur.
1 hour.
Damage is likely.
About
Locations in
time,
Texas include
Florida. About
Mississippi Service
time.
Plaza.
You mean
Take cover now.
KSP-44?
Move to an interior room
Yeah,
on the
I-
lowest floor
yep.
of a sturdy building. Avoid
Tornado
windows.
warning on
If you are
KBC.
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
vehicle,
move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Flash flood.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Is the flash flood after this?
No, possible flash flood.
Now for the official
No.
national